Welcome to Now on Game Pass for July 2024. We have 6 great games on deck, including one day one release. Horror fans have several options this month, from Depersonalization to Still Waits the Deep to the Callisto Protocol. If fear isn't your favorite thing, there's the World 1 shooter Izonzo, and a JRPG double feature with Octopath Traveler and Octopath Traveler 2. Inspired by the Call of Cthulhu, Meow Nation's tabletop RPG takes players on a journey into the darkness. Guts! Glory! Character! Story! Game Pass is something for everyone, and this game is just the start. You can find other recent arrivals on the Game Pass mobile app, the Game Pass Xbox app on PC, and any official Game Pass social media channel. Titles in the Game Pass library vary from time and region, but no matter where you are, there's always something to play.